Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of spam registrations flooding your WordPress site? Frustrated with the bot registration and then accessing your websites for spammy comments and scanning for weak plugins? So, what is the solution? Simple. Give access to your website's only verified people. Remember, bot will fail if you give access to well-known emails only and not made-up emails. Moreover, all these bots will be restricted as they cannot verify by OTP that goes to well-known email. What if I told you there's a plugin that not only makes your registration forms beautiful, but also makes the both registration and login bulletproof secure with OTP verification? Introducing Access Ninja, the advanced WordPress registration plugin that's about to change everything. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to transform your WordPress registration experience. Today, we're diving deep into Access Ninja, a plugin that solves 5 major problems WordPress site owners face with user registration. Let's jump right in. Let's be honest. The default WordPress registration form is, well, basic. It only asks for a username and email. That's it. Here's what most WordPress site owners struggle with. Number 1, no way to collect additional user information like phone numbers, company names, or departments. Number 2, 0 email verification. Anyone can register with a fake email. Number 3, spam bots creating hundreds of fake accounts. Number 4, no control over WHO can register. You can't restrict registrations to specific email domains. Number 5, the registration page looks outdated and doesn't match your brand. Access Ninja solves all of these problems. Let me show you how. First up, custom registration fields. This is where Access Ninja really shines. With Access Ninja, you can add unlimited custom fields to your registration form. And I'm not just talking about text fields. You get 1, text inputs, 2, email fields with built-in validation, 3, number fields, 4, text area for longer responses, 5, drop-down menus, 6, radio buttons and checkboxes. Let me show you how easy it is. I'll add a company name field. Just enter the label, give it a unique key, select the field type, add a placeholder, and mark it as required if needed. Click Save, and done. And here's the best part. You can drag and drop to reorder your fields exactly how you want them. No coding required. It's completely intuitive. Now let's talk about security, because this is where Access Ninja becomes a game changer. Access Ninja includes built-in OTP, one-time password, email verification. Here's how it works. When a user tries to register, 1, they fill out the form. 2, they click Send OTP. 3, a unique code is sent to their email. 4, they enter the code to verify their email. And 5, only then can they complete registration. You have complete control over 1, whether OTP is enabled or disabled. 2, the OTP expiry time, from 1 to 60 minutes. 3, the OTP length, anywhere from 4 to 10 digits. And if a user doesn't receive their code, no problem. They can simply click Resend OTP to get a new one. This single feature eliminates fake registrations and ensures every user on your site has a verified, working email address. That's powerful. Here's another feature that provides an extra layer of protection from bot registration. I bet all corporate sites, schools, and organizations are going to love Email Domain Restrictions feature. Let's say you're building an internal portal for your company. You only want employees with a yourcompany.com email to register. With Access Ninja, you simply enter the allowed domains, separated by commas, and save. Now, anyone trying to register with Gmail, Yahoo, or any other domain will be blocked. Only users with approved email domains can create an account. And yes, this works seamlessly with OTP verification. Users must have an allowed domain and verify their email. Double security. Now let's talk about making registration forms beautiful. Access Ninja lets you completely customize the look of your registration page. First, you can set a custom background color using the built-in color picker. Match it to your brand colors for a cohesive look. But here's where it gets really cool. You can upload a custom background image. Whether it's your brand imagery, a professional photo, or a gradient design, your registration page will look stunning. And you can replace the default WordPress logo with your own custom logo. Your registration page will look like it was custom built, not a generic WordPress form. One more thing that makes Access Ninja incredibly flexible: the shortcode system. You can display your registration form anywhere on your site using a simple shortcode. Here's how easy it is. 1. Create a new page. Call it Register or Sign Up. 2. Add the shortcode. 3. Publish the page. 4. Share the URL with your users. The form automatically includes all your custom fields, OTP verification, and your beautiful background customization. Everything just works. All right, let's see Access Ninja in action with a complete demo. Here's our custom registration page. Notice the beautiful branded background and custom logo. I'll fill out the username, email, and our custom fields: company name, department dropdown, and phone number. Now I click Send OTP, and within seconds, I receive the verification code in my email. I enter the code, click Register, and success! The account is created with all the custom data stored securely. Now, this plugin also lets only verified persons to access once registration is over. The registered person will have to input the OTP received in registered mail or phone every time access is given. If you want to know how to set up SMS OTP for login through Twilio, watch our exclusive video on this. Link is given in description area. Access Ninja is lightweight, follows WordPress coding standards, and works with all popular themes. It's the registration solution you've been waiting for. And that's Access Ninja, the ultimate WordPress registration plugin that gives you custom fields, OTP verification, email domain restrictions, and beautiful customization, all in one package. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Drop a comment below and let me know. What feature are you most excited about? I'll see you in the next one. Happy WordPressing!